Hi friend, in my last video I have already shown you how to make BLDC motor from scrap material. So in this video I will install all the components together to make a complete version, so that for making any type of project or for any experimental purpose you don't need to connect all the component one by one. So here you can see friend, I am able to run the BLDC drive directly from 12-volt DC adapter. So I have connected the 12-volt DC adapter and I am running the BLDC motor with the help of that adapter. So you can see friend, I have built the box from 3D printer. I have installed all the driver unit inside that box to make it a compact version. So friend, I have got the sticker from the servo drive unit and installed on the box. I will install the BLDC motor on the top of it. So for doing any type of project you require a motor, a high RPM motor. You can use this unit for experimental purpose or for building any different types of project. So as I have already stated earlier that each and every component of a hard disk drive are very important, don't throw them away. So I have installed all the equipment inside the box. Now I have printed the top part. I will install like this way and then I will install the BLDC motor. So friend, the build part is completed. You can see there is a selector switch and a regulator to regulate the RPM of the BLDC motor. In different type of experiment you require different RPM of the motor. So for that you must have a good motor with regulating speed. So I have connected the adapter with the box and now you can see the BLDC motor is running. So in this case you don't require to connect all the equipment one by one. So here is the 12-volt 2 amps DC adapter. I have just connected it and the motor is ready to run. So friend, you can see it is very compact. Here is the DC connector. Here is the sequence of program written at the back of the box. So I think friend, you all have liked this video.